Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Todd Anderson here from Curated Dental, and today I want to talk about something that really hits close to home. I've been a practicing dentist for nearly 2 decades, and I've seen firsthand how dental care costs have skyrocketed. But nothing prepared me for what happened recently with my own family. I want to share a personal story about my 80-year-old mother-in-law. This is the reality of what dental care costs have become, and it's heartbreaking. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute professional dental advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your dentist or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a dental procedure or condition. The costs discussed in this video are general estimates and can vary significantly depending on factors such as geographic location, dental practice, and individual treatment needs. Curated Dental and Dr. Todd Anderson are not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided in this video. For specific dental care or financial advice, consult a licensed professional. My mother-in-law, who is 80 years old, has no dental insurance and suffers from slight memory loss. Recently, she broke her front tooth number 9, one of the most visible and important teeth in the smile. I wanted to help her get it fixed, so she went to a colleague of mine. She was given a quote of $5,576. And that's just for the implant work, removing the tooth, placing a bone graft, a 3-month checkup, and a CBCT scan to make sure everything is healing correctly, and placing an implant. Implant costs for my mother-in-law is going to be $5,576. And that doesn't even include the cost of the implant crown, which will be a low estimate, another $1,800 in my old practice just a few years ago. That brings the total cost to $7,376 just to replace a single front tooth. For an 80-year-old woman with no insurance, how is that okay? How did we get here? No, I get it. Dentistry isn't cheap to perform. I've run a dental practice and I know how much it costs to keep the doors open. Rent, supplies, staff salaries, lab fees, it all adds up. But something has gone terribly wrong. This is not sustainable, and it's certainly not fair for older patients with no insurance. Many of them are on fixed incomes, and to ask them to pay over $7,000 just to replace one tooth is mind-blowing. Dentistry in the USA is broken. We've got a system that makes it nearly impossible for people without insurance to get the care they need. And for those who do have insurance, it rarely covers enough. You know what's worse? I'm part of this system. And it makes me question, what have we become as a profession when even a dentist is shocked at the costs we're charging? This is why I created Curated Dental. I want to help patients and consumers navigate these outrageous costs and find a better way to get the care they deserve. Curated Dental is about fighting for you. I'm working to find solutions to decrease these costs and make oral care accessible for everyone, especially for older adults like my mother-in-law who are struggling to afford basic dental services. Please check out www.curateddental.com and click that like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, we have some exciting new oral care products coming to help with the cost of oral care. Wishing you well.